So hello bara ngadai ba jikete ngapti subai pi kani ka video banda de shua banda ngani video ngakwa ban kan dui pi ba bin pe choi kani ka video kani ka ba ka bo kaling har description box ko to ba ngadai sipang ka football mo sapet ka to ba hari ba du pe ka to pila ban pe se kani video banda chubo da pitai pe kani bo banda pila chulai be dari kana description box ngan sabo kaling jang ka PDF hak ba pila ban solve kini ki MCQ ki bangsa la banda pila ban solve ba sa comment pat kipikan no pia ka total mak ma naman pakindan la kuno basis patli ki MCQ te sa comment kan do wi dai ma te gini ka jigli bani kong ma. In which year was modern football officially founded in England? Option A khat pras pan ro phalai, option B khat pras pan yuar, C khat pras pan nyau, D khat kan dai spa. Sao te ka kan sa ka dai kani ka option A. Okay, tentang ipe sekali ka jingli ka bar. Which club is recognized as the first and oldest football club in the world? The first and oldest football club in the world. It is not Liverpool, not Scotty. It is not Manchester United, but Kadeka Sheffield Football Club. Okay. Tentang ipe sekali ka jingli balai. Which two nations participate in the first ever international football match? The first ever football match was participated between England versus Scotland. England versus Scotland. What is the full name of the global governing body of football? A. Ka keteng jong ka governing body mo ka association ko pnya football international mo. D. A ang Federation International. D. Football Association. B. World Football Union. C. Association of Global Football. D. International Football Federation. Tengah try pitip hi kadai ka FIFA mo. FIFA. Page yo ki ai lah kani kai full form FIFA page ka to full form nya ka FIFA de Federation Internationale de Football Association. Te kadan ka headquarter jak FIFA hai mo. Ka headquarter jak FIFA kadan hai. A ki ai London, B ki ai Paris, C ki ai Zurich, D ki ai Switzerland. Te ka korek sar ne kadai ka Zurich mo. Zurich. Who is the current president of FIFA as mentioned in the historical records? The current president jong ka FIFA udah Gianni Infantino mah. Te kan kau ne kau important mah. Ini lah tangkim important mah. Kau ti philaban solve pi. What was the original name of the FIFA World Cup trophy? The original name of the FIFA World Cup trophy. Kaya option A Jules Rimet Trophy, B FIFA Gold Cup, C World Unity Trophy, D Victory Cup. Te correct answer ni kadika Jules Rimet Trophy. In what year was the first World Cup held? Kanir ka important pa naman pagkasya iwan ka exam te ka first World Cup la pelang house na mayo. A kay kakanay sa parpasaw, B kakanay sa palay C kakanay sa po, D kakanay lay po. Te correct answer ni kadika D kakanay lay po ma. Kanir ka important kay kari ka job ya ka first ever World Cup. A kay Argentina, B Brazil, C Uruguay, D Italy. Te correct answer ni kadika Uruguay. Which national team has won the most FIFA World Cup titles in history? Teka ikari ka payo ra. Sibundo tam ka World Cup. Ma. Kaya option A Germany, B Brazil, C Argentina, D Italy. Teka rin kasar ni kadai ka Brazil. Ma Brazil kaya kumang ito video sandali ma. Ka Germany kayo sao. Germany kayo sao ma. Ka Italy kayo sao. Ka Argentina kayo lightly. Which country hosted the 2022 World Cup? FIFA World Cup ma. A kay Russia, B Brazil, C Qatar, D USA. Te correct answer ni kadai ka Qatar ma. Qatar. Ka Russia pelang manaw sinem agak pra. Ka Brazil aday arjar kat sao ma. Which team emerged as the winner of the 2022 FIFA World Cup? A Argentina, B France, C Croatia, D Morocco. Ka try pinay kan mau hi gani mo. Ka correct answer ni jong kani kadai ka Argentina. Okay? In which country did the modern version of football originate? Take a modern version of football originate in which country? A. Scotland, B. Uruguay, C. Switzerland, D. England. Take correct answer ni kadai ka England ma. Te mentang ipet sa kani ko ka questions kiba important. Which three countries are set to host the 2026 FIFA World Cup? A. USA, Canada, Mexico, B. USA, Brazil, Argentina, C. Canada, Mexico, and Spain, D. USA, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Take correct answer ni kadai USA, Canada, and Mexico. Mentaos nem ka ba usnem jaga World Cup? And sa pelang World Cup haka likely kirima USA, Canada, but Mexico. How many teams are scheduled to participate in the 2026 FIFA World Cup? Te kay option A 10 para, B 10, C 32, D 64. Dakan mawam ta ka World Cup kanday ka World Cup kabundot tam ki team ma. Namar kandan 10 para tali ki team. In what year was the first ever FIFA Women's World Cup held? A kay kakanay prapenyaw, B kakanay pusan, C kakanay buhay, D kakanay kanay. Te pipet ti video kakarek sa kanay kani kasima kakanay buhay. Okay. Who was the winner of the inaugural FIFA Women's World Cup in 1991? Dai ka kari ka job. Ya ka first FIFA Women's World Cup mah hak kanai berhuai ki A China, B Germany, C USA, D Norway. Te korek sar ne ka USA. Dengan pek kini kecil para. Which nation won the 2023 Women's FIFA World Cup? A. Spain, B. Australia, C. England, D. USA. Te korek sar ne ka Spain mah, Spain. Who took the gold medal in men's football at the 2024 Summer Olympics? Te ka gold medal nam gilang kisindang haka football mo haw arjar pasau Summer Olympic. Kabajop kaya option ni Spain, B. Argentina, C. France, D. Portugal. Te ka answer ka Spain mah. Which team won the gold medal in women's football during the 2024 Summer Olympics? Kaya A. Brazil, B. North Korea, C. USA, D. Germany. Te correct answer ni ka USA mah. USA. Which organization is responsible for the management and organization of the Champions League? Teka, organization iyo ko paniya ka Champions League mo. A. FIFA, B. AFC, C. CONCACAF, D. UEFA. Teka, correct sa ni ka UEFA, kaya ang UEFA Champions League mo. Which club hold the record for being the most successful in the Champions League? Kaya A. AC Milan, B. Real Madrid, C. Bayern Munich, D. Barcelona. Teka, club kabayo abono tam ka Champions League. Kaya Real Madrid mo. Real Madrid. Which national team emerged as the champion of the Euro 2024? Kaya A. Spain, B. France, C. Germany, D. England. Te correct answer ni ka Spain mo. Kung majawab ya ka Euro ajar pasama. Who was the winner of the Copa America 2024 tournament? Te correct answer ni kaya kaya option Argentina, B. Brazil, C. Uruguay, D. Colombia. Correct answer ni ka Argentina mo. According to the provided data, which country won the CONCACAF World Cup 2025? Kaya A. USA, B. Mexico, C. Canada, and D. Panama. The correct answer ni ka Mexico ma. Which nation kani ka important naman mangyahaba siya ma? Which nation is the current holder of the AFC Asian Cup title? Kaya A. Qatar, B. South Korea, C. Japan, D. Iran. The correct answer ni ka Qatar. The which country is listed as the winner of the AFCON 2026? Kaya A. Nigeria, B. Senegal, C. Morocco, D. Egypt. Te ni ko parbela na kamachem kabajaw ka ka Senegal. Ray namar ba? Hakato ko parbagila kayam kiped na namaran mo. Kiped na namaran ko maat minute. Bat kisa wan biang namar ba kisang ba kini ki player ka Senegal kisang ko ba kisya leto mo. Ray takajing hot jong player ban wan pa biang tikum ta kalau penting bikin job. Ndai hadin kajing investigate kumbaat panai. Lai na ikut berko na ba? Kasi Senegal kelapan Kenya kan disiplin. Who is the only player in football history to have won 3 FIFA World Cup titles? Teu player batang marway banyo bat adu lightly ki bala banyo ra World Cup adu lisen. Wei ta. Kaya ni kong France Beckenbauer, B Diego Maradona, C Pele, and D Zinedine Zidane. Di correct answer ni kadi Pele. Point sa India mah. In which year did India achieve its best ever finish in the FC Asian Cup as runners-up? Kaya A kakanay sa pasan B kakanay sa pandrapusaw, C kakanay sa pandrapuar, C D kakanay sa panyapo. Di ka India house name kakanay sa pandrapusaw, kabade ka AFC kadai ka Asian Cup mah house name mapulang ka Asian Cup kaya long ka runners-up kun baka rema final kay mah. India won the gold medal in football at the Asian Games in which 2 specific years? Kaya ka India kayo gold medal haka Asian Games nakalang football house name ayo mah. Kaya A kakanay sa puy kakanay sa pandrapuar, B kakanay sa pandrapuar kakanay sa pandrapusaw, C kakanay sa pandrapuar kakanay sa puy, and D kakanay sa pandrapuar kakanay sa pandrapusaw. Te correct answer ni kadi kakanay sa puy bat kakanay sa pandrapuar. Tuti bro ba ka first ever Asian Game lapalong New Delhi mah. Lapalong New Delhi but kadero house name kat kanay sa Sanpo. Wei. Which club is recognized as the oldest existing football club in India? The club you kaba tipika kung ka oldest existing football club in India. Kaya A option Kolkata Football Club, B Mohammedan Sport Club, C East Bengal, and D Mohun Bagan. The correct answer ni kadiga Mohun Bagan. Which governs and manages professional football activities in India ma? Teka sing ayu papaniya ja ka football hapo India. Kaya A Football Association of India, B All India Football Federation, C Minister of Youth Affairs and Sport, D Indian Football Association. Te correct answer ni kadiga AIFF All India Football Federation. Te present jang kani All India Football Federation odeu kalian Shobi mah. Which club won the inaugural edition of the National Football League in 1926 mah? Te ka club ka National Football League ka league unciak badan India mah metala replace ada ka ISL. Te ka correct answer ni ay mo Dempo Salgaukar East Bengal and JCT Mills. The correct answer ni ka JCT Mills. In 2007 the National Football League was replaced by which new league? Ini Indian Super League, B I League, C Calcutta Football League, and D Durand Cup. The correct answer ni ka I League mah. which was the first club from Northeast India to win the I-League title. Tika club ayu ko kong duk dapat Northeast ban, yara ya ka I-League. Ka ini kong option Silang Lajang Football Club, B Aizawl Football Club, C Noraka anti Northeast United. Tika resar nega deka Aizawl Football Club mah. When did the Indian Super League officially replace the I-League as the top tier football league in India? T hani ki A aja kat san season, B ajar pelai season, C aja kat nyaw aja kat pra season, D aja kanda yar pau season. Tika resar nega dei aja kanda yar pau season. Which club won for the first ever edition of the Indian Super League? ISL mah. Tika club ko bayara ya ka first edition ya Indian Super League kai A Kerala Blasters, B Chennai, C FC Goa, D Atletico di Kolkata. Tika resar nega dei ka Atletico di Kolkata. Which club is noted as the very first football club established in India? Tika club ayu ko ka first football club. Kaya A Mohun Bagan, B Silang Lajang, C Kolkata, D Dempo. Tika resar nega dei ka Kolkata Football Club. Which of the following trophies is among the oldest and the most important football tournaments in India? Teka ay kawai na pinagini trophy kini oldest and most football important tournaments in India. Teka resar ni ki ay mo. Option Ranji Trophy, B Durand Cup, C Dulip Trophy, D Irani Cup. Teka resar ni ka Durand Cup. Kini bro light league ki cricket mo kito. A B C D. Who was the first Indian player to be honored with the Arjuna Award? Kaya ini A PK Banerjee, B Sunil Chhetri, C Subrata Paul, and D Ghoshta Pal. Teka resar ni PK Banerjee mo. Which player is famously known as the Black Ball of Indian football? Kaya A. JJ Lal Peklawa, B. Bhashung Bhutia, C. Mohamed Salim, and D. I.M. Vijayan. Teka resar ni deka I.M. Vijayan mo. Who was the first Indian player to play for a European football club? Mo, peknya ni. Kaya ni A. Bhashung Bhutia, B. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, C. Mohamed Salim, and D. Subrata Paul. Teka resar ni kadai Mohamed Salim mo. The record time for the fastest international goal scored by an Indian player held by I.M. Vijayan. Kini ko gula tap haka na second mo. Kay A 10 second, B arpaw, C katsan, D katar second. Teka resar ni kani katar second mo. Kani pinumor niyo mo. Kini giway sa layo mo ngan sabu kaling jong kani ka PDF sa layo mo. Which player hold the record for being the most capped Indian football players? Kay A Sunil Chhetri, B Subrata Paul, C PK Banerjee, and D Gurpreet Singh Sandhu. Teka resar ni deo Sunil Chhetri most capped kot bayo pan mikmat bondo tam kan nagari India jangi mo. Who is the only Indian player to have played in the Europa League mo? Tika A ni Sunil Chhetri, B Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, C Bhashung Bhutia, and D Mohamed Salim. Teka resar ni kadai B. Number 11. Which trophy is listed an important Indian football tournament alongside the Durand Cup? Kaya A Uber Cup, B Vijay Hazare Trophy, C Thomas Cup, and D Santosh Trophy. Teka resar ni kadai ka Santosh Trophy mo. Pet kini kat lahir mo. Which of these is not a trophy related to Indian football mentioned in the text mo? Te hani ka option IFA Shield, B Deodhar Trophy, C Bordolai Trophy, and D Suburto Mukherjee Cup. Te ka hani ka tournament ko bumday ka balik kay ka ba de ka tournament football kare kai. Te ko resar ni kare ka Deodhar ma. Te kini bro A C D kini football sudah. Kare nomor katsan. The BC Roy Trophy is associated with which sport in the Indian context? Te kan BC Roy Trophy kare kai. A hockey, B badminton, C football, D tennis. Te kan Jepang football. Obviously it is football mo BC Roy Trophy. Pet mo kani. Meghalaya kayang. Which organization is responsible for managing football in the state of Meghalaya? A Meghalaya Football Association, B Shillong Sport Association, C All India Football Federation, D Meghalaya Sport Council. Teka kesalahan negara Meghalaya Football Association mo. Who currently serves as the president of the Meghalaya Football Association? Kaya A Bante Doling no, B Hamlet Sandoling, C Konrad Sangma. Teka kesalahan negara ka Hamlet Sandoling mo, udeo Hamlet Sandoling mo ni, udeo XMLA, berim jangan beli. Which team was crowned the first ever winner of the Meghalaya State League? D Kaya option ini Meghalaya Sport Club, B Nyawasa, C Silang Lajong, D Langsning Sport Club. Teka kesalahan negara Nyawasa mo. Which club emerged victorious in the 2024 edition of the Meghalaya State League mo? Teka ni ka club kumera ini ka 2024 edition. Teka option ini ay Nyawasa, B Meghalaya Sport Club, C Nongsa, D Railway Dot. Teka kesalahan ni kadai Meghalaya Sport Club mo. The Shillong Premier League is managed by which organization? A hani Meghalaya Football Association, B Shillong Sport Association, C Sport Authority of India, and D District Football Association. Teka resar ni kadai ka Shillong Sport Association mo. Who is the president of the Shillong Sport Association mo? Kaya option ni Hamlet Sandoling, Larsing Ming Sawian, Bante Doling da, and D Frankie Buam. Teka resar ni kadai Bante Doling da mo. Te penting bi ba Larsing une utrai yang ka Shillong Lajong Football Club mo. Right. Who is the winner of the Shillong Premier League for the year 2025? Mulai B Shillong Lejong si Langsning Sport Club di Real Wing. Tekarang sar nega deka Langsning Sport Club, which was the first school from Meghalaya to win the Sporto Cup in 1978. TKI Nongjeri Presbyterian, B Shillong Public School, C St. Denis Higher Secondary School, and D Don Bosco Higher Secondary School. Tekarang sar nega dei senyan. Which school won the Under-15 Sporto Cup in 2020? A. Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School, B Senyan, C Molai, D Wingdao Presbyterian School. Tekarang sar nega dei ka Nongjeri mo. Who was the most expensive player in the Indian Super League? In both Anjakat San Anjakat Nyau mo. A. Aibalang Kongji, B. Rokas Lamari, C. Eugene San Lengdao, and D. Full Moon Perto. Tekarang sar nega dei Eugene San Lengdao mo. Most expensive player haka auction joka Indian Super League. Haka season Anjakat San Anjakat Nyau. Which player hold the record for being the first woman from Meghalaya to play for the Indian national football team? Kani kausan. Kila bakal ay mo kani. Kabaw di bakal set imama na marong apa iti pelok. Pade keteng kani keteng sinsang sudalanya tangka kare sa de San Vida nang room mo kani. San Vida nang room kan mau. Kini mo. Rokos Rolamare is a veteran football player from which Indian state mo? A. Manipur, B. Sikkim, C. Meghalaya, D. Mizoram. Tekarang sar ne dai Meghalaya mo. What is a free kick awarded for? A. Ball going out of bound. B. A foul committed outside the penalty area. C. A player scoring a goal with their hand. D. A substitute enter the field without permission. Tekarang sar nega dai a foul committed outside the penalty area. What does the acronym VAR stand for? Tekana VAR kumod ka-full form niya kako kumno. A. Virtual assistant referee. B. Visual analysis review. C. Variable action replay, and D. Video assistant referee. Tekarang sar nega dai D. Video assistant referee ma. Who is the primary official responsible for enforcing the law of the game on the pitch? A. Coach. C. Linesman. C. Referee. D. Foot official. Tekarang sar nega dai referee. What is the Ballon d'Or? Kani ka pa? Kisah keren ba mo football? The A. The trophy for winning the World Cup. B. An annual award given to the best performing individual football player in the world. C. Award given to the top scorer in the Premier League. D. An award for the best goalkeeper of the year. The correct answer ni ka? B mo. Kabaay kini ki best performing individual football player in the world. The most manakani yo Dembele, the most part of Messi ba yo bon mo. What does a yellow card signify in match ma? Ka yellow card kani jumut jang kurikumdo. A. Goal has been disallowed. B. Temporary 5-minute suspension. C. A formal caution to a player. Then first half. Teka ka. C. A warning mo. Warning a player. How long is a standard professional football match excluding stoppage time, extra time? A. 90 minutes. B. Prapo. C. Chispa, and D. 60. Teka football match. Standard time juga kandai 4 minutes mo. Lada dan extra time telang Chispa arpo. Kata kumot 30 minutes ka extra time mo. How many players from one team are allowed on the field at the start of a match? A. Chipau, B. Katway, C. 12, and D. Kandai. The correct answer ni 11 mo. Tengah player tadi sa kabakod. Nga di iba jikit tengah karon ba pinyapan kaya ba kini ka exam ban pilaban pe kini ka link ka ba nga sabo ani ha description box kana ba pilaban solve kini ki MCQ ma ngan ai kini ki mga karon kini ki ba tang ki ba important ki balaban wan ka exam di ko